Do your sugar cravings feel impossible to control? Are you tired of feeling bloated, tired and frustrated with your fibroids? What if one simple change could help you take back control of your health? That's why I'm excited to invite you to our free Crave Less Thrive More challenge from the 8th of June to the 12th of June. For 5 days, we'll work together to reduce sugar cravings and build healthier habits that support your womb health. Now, why does this matter? Here are 3 reasons high sugar levels can be a problem for women with fibroids. Number 1, sugar can increase inflammation in the body. More inflammation can make fibroid symptoms feel worse. Number 2, sugar can cause energy crashes. 1 minute you're feeling okay, the next you're exhausted and reaching for another sweet treat. Number 3, too much sugar can affect hormone balance. And healthy hormone balance is important when you're dealing with fibroids. The good news, small changes can make a big difference. That's exactly what we'll be focusing on during this challenge. And the best part, it's completely free. Comment "I'm in" below and I'll send you the registration link. Let's do this together. And if you know another woman who struggles with sugar cravings or fibroids, please share this video with her. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly fibroid healing tips and support. Who's in? Comment "I'm in" below and let's get started.